Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be trying out a new product to me. It's in my stash. I'm trying to still use my stash, and it's this right here. So this is the Curls Sea Moss collection C-Slip mineral infused curl slime. So for the last 2 wash days I've done wash and goes just to give my hair a break from the blow dry, because I've been blowing out my hair. Anyway, if you're interested in this video, then please keep watching. Okay, I'm back and I just rinsed my hair. I did a deep conditioner overnight. So I haven't done that in a long time, but I did it overnight. It was the Shea Moisture Manuka and Honey deep conditioner. I'll leave a picture or just Google, you know, Shea Moisture Manuka and Honey. It's like top tier when I don't have anything else. And again, I'm out of deep conditioners, so I had to purchase that. I also purchased something else, but we'll talk about that in a different video. So yes, my hair feels amazing. Yeah, so we're about to get into separating and sectioning off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've sectioned off my hair and I'm gonna work in smaller sections just because that's the life of wash and go. And then as always, I have my aloe juice and let me put this, I just have a t-shirt. And again, I have not used this before. Here's pretty, you know, it's getting out there. Side note, I'm gonna leave a picture of what I wanna do in the future. So maybe 5 to 8 years from now. I'm thinking about what I want to do to my hair. Anyway, so we have this baby right here, getting right into it. The consistency is that of, it says slime, curl slime. So shiny silk, shiny, silky, shine boosting, vitamin infused curl jelly that revives dull and dry hair, defines and moisturizes curls with a medium hold. Vitamin A, C, E, K, and B, calcium, folate, iron, zinc, potassium, sodium, omega-3s, and omega-6s. It says antimicrobial, antioxidant, and antifungal. Sea moss encourages the production of sebum on the scalp and ensuring the scalp stays moisturized, danger-free, and ready to grow healthy hair. Sea moss is comprised of vitamins that aggressively fight oxidative stress, which is the main cause of hair loss, and amino acids, beta carotene, B vitamins, calcium, folate, bromine, iodine, iron, manganese, magnesium, pectin, phosphorus, potassium, protein, selenium, silver, vitamin E, C, and K, and zinc, to name a few. Directions: apply C-Slip mineral infused curl slime to wet, freshly cleansed hair to create shiny, frizz-free, defined curls. Allow to air dry, which I'm sitting under the dryer. And yeah, so it doesn't say anything about a leave-in or anything. Again, I'm out of the leave-in. I had the leave-in, I had the entire line. But yeah, so let's see how it works. It applies beautifully. It feels like it's instantly clumping my curls. It feels moisturized. Yeah, it does. But you can see, I don't know if you can see, my roots are a bit puffy, a little bit, but I'm gonna add more. And again, just this much. I'm also going to use my Denman brush. Let me find it. I don't actually, yeah, this did great, looks like, you know? And just to make sure it's on every strand, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so it's clumping them for real. I'm literally gonna put some more. I hope this is not like a bad thing. And then just shingle. I shingle a different way. Let's see. Shingle from the back. Yeah, and then so now I'm just going to touch up some of these frizzy pieces, but it may just be, I may just leave that alone, sis. I may just leave it alone, bro. Cause you see that I need to smooth that out, and I can separate it when they dry, but I just always like to have clumps because it eliminates the frizz initially. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this half of my hair and then I'm gonna come back with some thoughts. Hi guys, so I'm done with half of my hair and I feel like it's gonna be good. I feel like the product is very moisturizing. I don't know if it was because I did the base of like having a great deep condition day, but it feels moisturizing. I don't know, that could change once it dries, but I do feel like my roots are puffy, so this possibly could be like a fluffy wash and go. It said medium hold, but it may be soft hold by just how I'm applying it and how I've applied like different types of curl jellies or gels in the past. I do see a little frizz, so it's not like completely, but that's natural hair. I don't care about that. So I mean, the comparison for sure, you see, you know, with no product and then with product. So I'm gonna take a few minutes to do the rest of my hair, maybe like 15-20 minutes, maybe not even that long, and then I'll come back with the final results, meaning the product all in my hair, and then I'll just talk about it a little bit more and then leave a video or photo of the dry results on the screen. Again, I'm going to go in with a hooded dryer to kind of like seal it and set it. Also, something that I noticed, or just an observation with using this product, if I had their foam or mousse, which I love with its leave-in, which I wouldn't use the leave-in and this and the mousse, but I would probably use the mousse to tame the roots, to kind of like seal it in. So that's a thought. Hopefully it wouldn't flake, but I don't have any more. But anyway, so I'm just gonna start on this section and then I'll be back when I'm done with it. Hi guys, so this is the rest of my hair. It is completely done. It seems like it's going to be fluffy, but I don't really care. It is what it is, right? So I'm going to sit under the dryer and I will be back. I don't know. I'm gonna take my time and sit under the dryer. Yeah, so this, hi guys, so this is my hair. It's so soft. It feels so moisturized. It's still kind of wet right here. I set it in the dryer. But yeah, so I'm like nervous to even work out. I know that's terrible. I am. But I'm trying to think, well, what should I do? Anyway, so if you like this video, please click the like button, please subscribe. I have been touch and go for a while. So the last like 3 videos have been like, I wait about 2 months to record something. However, I've been recording, but I've been recording like wellness and healthy, like exercise, like an exercise, what did I say? Fitness diary chat, things of that nature. So it's in short format, so short videos or reels or things of that nature. But I think they'll last from seconds to about 5 minutes, I think, during one of my videos. So short form content, but content nonetheless. I wanted to get like some accomplishments under my belt before I decided to like share it. So I'm not sure when I'll actually share it, but trust and believe it's there. It'll be, you know, videos coming back to back almost once I make the decision to just put it out there. Very vulnerable, very just my journey, my health journey, healthy wellness journey. But anyway, back to the hair. Love, the part even disappeared. So yeah, I might leave in the comments like how my hair held up, or I have a product empty video coming up soon. Shout out to product empty video. So again, please be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, because that's going to come sooner than later. So it won't take a month, it won't take 2 months for that video to come out, because I'll probably film it tomorrow or next week. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I see my new subscribers. I see you, sis bro. I see you. I see my oldie but goodie subscribers. I see you too. Thank you so much for rocking with me and just being, you know, present in the comments and watching and taking time out of your day. I really appreciate you. And peace out.